go. I can feel it.
In the day of the Australian sun lies different terrains of the Aussie bush that a bunch of different creatures would call home, including, as most say, as creepy crawlies. But when the sun finally set, you wouldn't be able to comprehend of how many of these so-called creepy crawlies will awaken at this time of day. AKA, one of them being my backyard.
Now these are millipedes. Can't believe I found some millipedes. Oh, one big one must have gave birth to all these somewhere near here because they're literally everywhere.